We in Pennsylvania are headed for the green phase. And while that means the relaxation of some restrictions, some mandates will be here to stay.
For instance, you won't be saying goodbye to your mask. The governor says masks help to stop the spread, and they're still required. WFMZ's Jamie Stover has more.
From red to yellow to the hope of green, the Lehigh Valley will soon see some restrictions tied to the coronavirus fade away. More businesses will reopen. Life will seem a little more normal.
Green is better, but it's not best.
Dr. Jahre with St. Luke's University Health Network reiterates it's not an all clear.
It's actually vital to realize that although there's a relaxation does not mean that COVID-19 is now gone.
Which means wearing masks in public is still crucial in keeping infection rates under control. The governor's office is reminding Pennsylvanians masks are still required to enter some businesses, even in the green phase. There's been no talk of when that may end.
Unfortunately, as long as the pandemic is still with us in any significant way, then it is going to be a good idea to continue to wear a mask. We know that it's not a natural thing. We also know that it can cause discomfort.
Jahre says some myths and misconceptions about masks are still floating around, one being that they're not useful.
We know that the disease is spread from person to person, primarily through respiratory droplets or aerosols. And by wearing a mask, you trap those droplets or aerosols if you're sick, and it doesn't get out into the air and can infect other people.
Myth 2, if you wear a mask, you don't have to social distance.
That's a big mistake, because by wearing the mask, you're preventing giving the disease to someone else. It is not that effective in preventing you from getting the disease from another individual who may not be wearing a mask.
And also important to note, you can spread it even if you don't feel sick. So still wash your hands, still social distance, and still grab your mask when you head out the door. Jamie Stover, 69 News.